Bloating is not normal. Getting gas from eating food is not normal. Burping, farting after food is not normal. Getting brain fog and feeling tired after food is not normal. If you're getting these reactions after eating food, it's very likely that you've picked up an infection or overgrowth, and that's what's knocking your digestive system out of balance and making you react to these foods. I can guarantee that you remember a time before you used to get bloating, flatulence, brain fog and feel terrible after eating food. And that was a time before you picked up this infection. So what we need to do is remove this infection out of your body and get your body back into balance so you can eat food and still have a flat belly and not be really gassy. If you want to know more about reversing your bloating, brain fog, fatigue, low energy, flatulence, burping symptoms, just DM me the word help and I'd love to help you out.